What's up guys, Anish Kavathil here, representing AK Fitness, and in this video we're going to talk about, like I promised, right, to show many of my recipe videos, cooking videos. So this is one of them, and basically I eat clean, and this is one of the recipes which I use very frequently. I use it every day. It's a breakfast. It's a shake, right? I like to have a shake in the morning, but you can have it. This kind of recipe is very customizable. You can have it throughout any time throughout the day. Pre-workout, post-workout, before going to sleep also. And I'll tell you how to modify it. So let's get into the ingredients. First up, we have a oatmeal for carbohydrates, and try to go with the old-fashioned, right? It's more tastier, it's more healthy also. For my protein sources, I like to go with a whey protein, right? I use Dymatize. You can go with whichever brand you like to, And then milk, right? I don't use skim milk because it's not a curry season, but I just go with, I don't either go with whole milk or low fat. This is some kind of milk, which claims that they have 40% more protein, 35% more calcium. So hey, it's good, right? So then you go with cinnamon. Cinnamon is a metabolic booster, right? It burns fat. So throw it all. I'll tell you how to make the shake in another 3 minutes. Let's get on with it. Alright guys, so got a bowl over here, and usually I don't track macros now. I just track macros when I'm going for a contest or I'm cutting. So I just go blindly. I try to fill up the bowl. So just pour it in the oats in. How much ever I want to, right? And what I do is I fill in water, complete water, and then put it in the microwave. So I fill it in water, I'm going to throw it in the microwave. Keep it for a minute or two, just a minute will be fine. Put oats out of the oven, it's going to be really hot. So when you put whey powder inside, it's going to evaporate, right? When you mix whey powder with hot oats, right? It's just bro science. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in the oats into the freezer, right? So that it's going to let it give some time to cool it down. About 2 to 3 minutes will do. So I'll come back to you after 3 minutes. So now grab a blender, right? Now you don't want to go with this small, right? Because you're making a breakfast, and I eat a lot. So I like to go with the big one, right? This one. And what I like to do is put once you got the oats, it's all cool and nice. So put it in. Then what you do is fill some water, right? And then you grab your protein source, the whey, right? You can go with I try to go with 1.5 scoops, right? Which gives about 30 to 35 grams of protein. Then you get protein from your oats also and your milk, so that should be enough, right? So then you got your protein and your carbohydrates. So start by putting cinnamon. I just like to go with one spoon, right? A really small spoon. That will do. Just put it in. And then in the last, right, I like to add a splash of milk just for the taste, right? I don't like to go with full milk. Like I said, I just go with as much as with water, and then milk, right, just for the taste. So this is splash. That's it, right? So it's going to look somewhat like this. Right, what I'm going to do is just put the lid on and mix it up. Right, so make sure the lid is on, otherwise it's going to explode. Right, so keep it tight. It smells amazing and tastes great also. So I just love this recipe, right? I eat it about every day in the mornings, right? Sometimes I eat it twice a day also. It's really nutritious, right? Filled with carbohydrates, good proteins, right? What you can do, like I said, it's very customizable. So if you guys are, trying to get in some fats in, right? If you're an ectomorph and trying to build some muscle, you can throw in some peanut butter, some spoons of peanut butter. If you're taking this, like as a pre-workout, you can throw in some bananas inside, right? Same thing with the post-workout, right? You can add in some honey also, right? Get creative and you can customize this according to your needs, right? If you're taking this before going to sleep, instead of whey, you can go with casein. So there's a lot of ways you can mix it up, and the best part about this recipe is it's liquid, right? So it's very easy to consume. And the next thing is that if you're going out anywhere, right, and you have no time to eat, right, that's what I do a lot of times, right? I have tuitions, right, and I need to go, and I skip my breakfast. So what I do, I just make this, put in the shaker, and take it with me, right? So on the way I can drink it, or over there I can drink it. So it's really convenient, right? That's the whole thing, right? It should be tasty, it should be convenient to eat so that you can handle your diet. This is my diet, this is how I eat, right? And I'm still able to maintain the physique. So hope this recipe helped you out, right? Give it a try. It's going to feel great, it's going to taste great, right? And it's super nutritious, so it's going to get you shredded. So give it a try and let me know. Peace out. Subscribe.